Good day everyone, trust your day is good. Today we are moving to the new topic called polynomial. You can check back at the channel, there are different topics under the MCH 101 where it can really help you understand all the concepts in the course. Okay, now let's move on to this new topic. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel so as to be notified when I drop any other video. Now we are moving to the polynomial. Okay, now we have something of the polynomial. Polynomials, like they are of the degree what? Like let's say we have degree 3, have degree 2, degree, okay, degree 4, x raised to power, let's say x raised to power 3, x raised to power 4, x raised to power 5 and something like that. That's what we are called polynomial. Now let's now check the what the basic properties of polynomials. Okay, the basic properties, let's now check the addition one. Okay, for addition now, it's just how we always add our number with numbers, like let's say 2 plus 3, 2x plus 5x, 2y plus 5y and something like that. Now let us check on this question that let's say 3x minus 4x minus 1 plus 2 into x cubed minus x plus 4. We have to simplify this. How will you do it? First of all, because this one there is something out in the bracket, you have to what? Do a multiplication stuff there before you start anything. Okay, now it will be what? 6x raised to power 3 minus 12x, opening the brackets with this 3, minus 3 plus 2x minus 2x plus 8. Okay, now what are you going to do? You collect the what? Like term. This one is 2x cube. You collect the what? Like term. Okay, you should know that this one and this one have x raised to power 3, so it means they are like terms, so they will be what? 8x raised to power 3 because 6 plus 2 is 8 minus 12x minus 2x. They are the same term too. It will give us what? Minus 14x, and minus 3 plus 8, that one will give us what? Plus 5. So that's it. It's just the same as simplifying like what we are taught in what secondary school. So you collect the like term, you simplify. That's it. Let's now see it is subtraction. Let me use the what? Let me still use the first question. Let's say I have 2x cubed minus 4x minus 1 minus, okay, let me change it, plus x minus 4. Now how are you going to go about this one? Okay, what are you going to do? It's still the same thing. 2x raised to power 3 minus 4x minus 1, open the bracket by this negative, you have positive x raised to power 3 minus x plus 4. So collecting the like term 2, you have that 2, okay, 3x raised to power 3 minus 4x minus x minus 5x minus 1 plus 4 plus 3. So that's that for the word subtraction too. Now let's check on what the multiplication. Okay, now what are you going to do? Let's say so we have x squared minus 2x plus 1 multiplied by x cubed minus x plus 4. How are you going to multiply? Okay, it's just the same thing as opening the bracket by this everything, you understand, and 1 of the everything. So you can just say x squared into what? X cubed minus x plus 4. You understand? Now minus 2x into multiply by everything. You have to be careful because of the sign, plus 1 into multiply by everything. So this is how you do your multiplication stuff, is equal to what? Law of indices still applicable here. You have to know it. X squared multiplied by x raised to power 3 is x raised to power. You won't say 3 times 2 is what? 2 plus 3. You understand? 2 plus 3, which is what? 5 minus x squared multiplied by minus x, that's minus x raised to power 3. X squared multiplied by 4 plus 4x squared. Let's move on to this one. Minus what? 2x raised to power 4. 1 plus 3. You understand? Plus 2x squared plus 2x squared minus 8x, okay, plus x raised to power 3 minus x plus 4. Okay, what are you going to do? You can see that this one cancel out, right? Okay. Okay, let me now collect the like term. X raised to power 5, there is no other term. 4x squared, okay, I still have this one, there is no other term. Minus 2x raised to power 4, right? Okay, x raised to power 3 is cancelled. This one plus this plus what? 6x squared, okay, minus 8x minus x minus 9x plus 4. So that's the what final answer for this one. It means that whenever you want to simplify, you just take each of them out and multiply it by the other term. So that's how to expand this type of bracket. Okay, so the fourth one is the division rule. Okay, now in the expression, let's say we have f of x divided by g of x. So in this expression, our f of x is the what? Dividend, and our g of x is the what? Divisor. You understand? So dividend and the what? Divisor. So that's how it is. It means that, let's say f of x, okay, you have to understand this expression too, is equal to q of x multiplied by g of x plus r of x. What's our r of x? That's the what? Remainder. And our q of x is the what? Quotient. So do you understand? That's how the division rules work. Okay, and the degree of the g of x must be less than or equal to the what? Degree of f of x. So it means that the degree of this one must be less than or equal to the degree of what? F of x. Okay, now it means that if it works, then you can apply the what? The division theorem. So that's how polynomial works. Okay, let's now check on one example. Okay, let me say x raised to power 3 plus 2x squared minus 5 plus x divided by x plus 1. Okay, you are going to apply the division rule. So your what? Dividend will be a x raised to power 3 plus 2x squared minus 5x plus 1, and your divisor will be x plus 1. How are you going to do it? Take this first one, multiply by this. It will give you what? X raised to power what? 4. Abi, I'm coming. Multiply it. Sorry, multiply this one. So x raised to power what? 4. Do you understand? So it means that, oh, sorry, there is a mistake. Okay, so we have that this is how it works. X plus 1, and this one x raised to power 3 plus 2x squared minus 5x plus 1. Okay, so it means x divided by this one, it will give us what? X squared. This first x divided by this one. So you now take this one, multiply by everything of this, which means x raised to power what? 3 plus x squared. You now subtract them. So this one will be 0. 2x squared minus this will give us x squared minus 5x plus 1. You can bring them down. Okay, now we have that. After getting this, you now still use this x, this first x divided by what? The first x here. So which give us what? X. It means plus x. We now still take this one and multiply it through everything here. So we have that x squared plus what? X. Okay, so you still now subtract. You get that this one will be what? Minus 5x minus 6 minus x will give us minus 6x, and 1 minus 0 will give us plus 1. Okay, there is still something else that we can do. X divided by this x again, minus 6x, it will give us what? Minus 6. Minus what? 6. You still now take this minus 6 multiplied by everything here, you will get what? Minus 6x minus what? 6. So still subtract, you get that this one will be 0. 1 minus minus 6 will give you what? 7. So you can now say that your remainder r of x is equal to 7, and your quotient is equal to what? X squared plus x minus 6. So I can say that my f of x, which is the general, is equal to the quotient. If you remember this thing, that the quotient, and our quotient is x squared plus x minus 6 multiplied by the remainder, which is 7. Oh, multiplied by the g of x, which is x plus 1 plus what? 7. So that's our what? F of x. Now it can be expressed as this. So this is all I have for you today. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more tips on other courses. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.